Welcome to English Conversation Hub. In this video, you'll hear a full English conversation that takes place at an airport. This is perfect for travelers, students, and English learners who want to improve their spoken English and understand how to talk in real-life airport situations. Let's begin. Good morning. Is this the line for the Delta Airlines check-in? Yes, it is. You can join the queue right here. Thanks. I wasn't sure. It's my first time flying alone. No worries. Do you have your ticket and passport ready? Yes, I printed the ticket and I have my passport here. That's good. The staff will ask for both when it's your turn. Do they also need a visa? It depends on your destination. Where are you flying to? I'm flying to Dubai. Yes. Then they will check your visa too. Make sure it's ready. Thanks for the reminder. Do you know how much baggage I can carry? Usually it's 15 kilos for check-in luggage and 7 kilos for cabin baggage, but it depends on your ticket. Oh, I hope I didn't pack too much. Don't worry. They will weigh your bags at the counter. If it's overweight, will they charge me? Yes, there's an extra fee for excess baggage. Try to avoid it if possible. All right, I hope everything goes smoothly. It will. Just stay calm and follow the signs. This airport is bigger than I thought. Yes, it can be confusing, but there are information boards everywhere. After check-in, where should I go? You'll go to the security check next, then to the boarding gate. Do I need to remove my shoes at security? Sometimes they ask, especially if you're wearing boots. Keep your electronics and liquids separate. Got it. I packed my laptop and charger in my hand luggage. Good. That makes it easier. Also, keep your boarding pass ready. How early do they usually open the boarding gate? Usually about 45 minutes before departure. And how do I know which gate to go to? Your boarding pass will have the gate number. Also, check the screens after security. Gates sometimes change. I see. What if I get hungry before the flight? There are many food stalls and cafes in the departure area. You'll find something to eat. Can I take a water bottle through security? Only small bottles, up to 100 milliliters. You can buy water after the security check. That makes sense. I'll buy one after security then. Also, if your phone battery is low, there are charging points near the gates. That's helpful. I'll charge my phone a bit before boarding. If you have time, you can also visit the airport shops. There are books, snacks, and souvenirs. I love browsing books. Maybe I'll pick one for the flight. That's a great idea. It helps pass the time on board. Do they announce flights clearly? Yes, they do. But it's good to stay near your gate and listen for announcements. I always get nervous before flights. It's normal. Just take deep breaths and relax. Flying is safe and well organized. Do the staff help if I don't understand something? Absolutely. You can always ask airport staff. They're here to help. That's good to know. Is there Wi-Fi at the airport? Yes, most airports offer free Wi-Fi. You might need to register with your phone number. Perfect. I'll call my family before boarding. That's a nice idea. They'll be happy to hear from you. Thank you for answering all my questions. I feel much more confident now. You're welcome. Have a pleasant journey. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.